In today's video, I am going to teach you how to show or hide folder list view in Outlook. Whether you are using Outlook for Windows in its classic layout, the new Outlook for Windows, or Outlook on the web, I'll walk you through how to quickly reveal or tuck away the folder list so your workspace feels just right. First, a quick orientation. The folder list, sometimes called the folder pane, is the column on the left that shows your mail folders, inbox, sent items, drafts, and any folders you've created. Showing it makes navigation easy. Hiding it gives you more reading space. Minimizing it is a nice compromise if you want a slimmer view without losing access. If you are on Outlook for Windows in the classic interface, start on the ribbon at the top and click the View tab. From there, find Folder Pane and choose Normal to show the full folder list. Normal brings back the standard, full-width column with all your folders visible, which is ideal when you are organizing messages or moving items around. To hide the folder list in classic Outlook, go to the same View tab. Click Folder Pane and select Off. This removes the folder list from view, giving you a cleaner, wider reading area. If you change your mind, just return to View, select Folder Pane, and choose Normal again to bring it back. If you want a slimmer look without fully hiding it, choose Minimized under Folder Pane. This reduces the pane to a thin bar on the left, so you gain screen space while keeping a compact access point to your folders. It's a great option when you are focused on reading or composing, but still want quick navigation within reach. Now, for the new Outlook for Windows and Outlook on the web. It's even simpler. Look to the top left corner and click the three-line icon, often called the hamburger menu. Clicking it expands the folder list if it's collapsed, and collapses it if it's already open. Use this toggle whenever you want to switch between a wider content area and a full folder list. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.